Tinnitus is a problem that affects almost 15% of Americans. But did you know that hearing aids could offer some relief to the constant noise? These two hearing aids, the Phonak Lyric and the Signia Silk, both promise to do just that. The Signia Silk can provide different kinds of relief, depending on what kind of tinnitus you suffer from wave noise therapy to static noise therapy, so you can try out different options. The Phonak Lyric, on the other hand, is an invisible hearing aid that you can actually wear 24/7, and thus it also can provide you with 24/7 tinnitus relief by stimulating your hearing constantly, which their research has shown to lower the symptoms. So, if you want to get relief from your tinnitus, then head to our site and answer a few simple questions, and we will connect you with a local audiologist to see which hearing aid would suit you best.